I don't believe in this concept yokuthi mase sishadile mina nawe then ekhaya sesiyabashiya sesiyabakhohlwa, or even from your side uthi sesiyabakhohlwa bakini. I was also very much intentional about knowing her family and honoring her family. So when I said all of these things, she could, look at my actions and see, okay, this guy uqinisile because he has done this for my family, her family, and this and this and this. So uyabona ukuthi lento iqinisile. I also made this point ukuthi it's important that you and my mom have a relationship.
Sure.
I want a situation whereby if ever I find myself talking bad about you, my mom should take your side.
Sure.
And say, no way, mtanam, go back to the wife. The way to achieve that is with you and her understanding each other by spending time together.
Sure.
One of the things that came up as umakoti ekotiza was, I'm a reserved guy.
Sure.
I'm not a person who, when in the group of people, I'm not the loudest voice.
Sure.
I didn't know, but for some reason, it was a little bit of a concern for her. Am I a leader? Am I all of those things? And so, maga sekafike ekhaya, ilabone khona, oh my goodness, this guy is actually a leader. Because ngomusa waNkulunkulu again, ekhaya bayangihlonipha.
Sure.
My opinion matters. I'm not the oldest. I'm a child yasekhaya. Sibaningi ekhaya. But mangikhuluma bayakhona ukungilalela from the oldest family to the youngest bayangilalela. And so yena ke ngibona ngenza leyo nto gave her confidence. I'm making a right decision by marrying this guy.